In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income from customers in QuickBooks Online. If you want your books to stay accurate, it's important to record customer payments the right way from the start. In QuickBooks Online, the method you choose depends on when the customer pays you. If the customer pays right away at the point of sale, you'll use a sales receipt. If the customer is going to pay later, you'll create an invoice instead. Using the correct option helps keep your income, customer records, and reports organized. To get started, go to the Create button at the top left of QuickBooks Online. This is where you can quickly enter new transactions. Once you click it, choose Sales Receipt if the customer has already paid you. A sales receipt is best for situations where the sale and the payment happen at the same time, such as an in-person purchase or an immediate online payment. If the customer will be paying later, choose Invoice instead. An invoice lets you record the sale now while also showing that the customer still owes you money. This is the better choice when you want to send a bill and collect payment at a later date. After choosing either sales receipt or invoice, select the correct customer from the customer field. This step matters because it connects the transaction to that customer's history in QuickBooks, making it easier to track sales and review activity later. Next, enter the products or services you sold. Be sure to choose the correct items so your income is categorized properly. This also helps keep your reporting accurate, especially if you want to see which products or services are bringing in the most revenue. As you enter the details, take a quick moment to review the quantity, rate, and total to make sure everything looks right before saving. Once the transaction is complete, click Save and Close to log your earnings. This records the income in QuickBooks and stores the transaction in your books. From there, you can move on to your next task, knowing the sale has been properly entered. A good tip is to always match the form to the payment timing: sales receipt for money received immediately and invoice for money to be collected later. That simple habit can prevent confusion and help your records stay clean and consistent. That's how to record income from customers in QuickBooks Online.